Are you married, Lydia? Does your husband know you're here? Can I ask, is he the reason you're here today?
No. Sam's the nicest, kindest man. He'd never hurt me.
Has someone else hurt you? Can you tell me who it was? If you can't say who, can you say what they did? You're so brave coming here. I know how difficult this is. There's no pressure. Take as much time as you need.
Maybe it was my fault. Because I was too nice. You see, I'd hurt him in the past and I wanted to make it up to him. The family all love him. They love him. But they don't know. They'd hate us both. Because I let him think that... Sam's going away and he thinks it's a sign. He's gonna come round and I'm gonna be on my own and I don't think I can stop him. Sam's gonna hate me. He's never gonna look at me the same. He trusted me and I let that man.
There are people who can help you. You've made the first step, coming here. We can support you.
It's in my house, with them all. I love my family. I can't lose them. They're all I've got. I need to get home.
Are you safe to go back there?
The others are there. For now. I'm sorry for wasting your time.
You don't have to apologise. Please stay and talk to me. You're safe here. Okay, no pressure. If you're not ready, that's fine. But we're here for you when you are. Call any time or come back in. Whatever you feel comfortable with.